Hello and welcome to MedExplain. In today's video we're going to talk about Zedex Syrup, a commonly used cough syrup. We'll discuss what it's used for, its key ingredients, how it works, and some important precautions to keep in mind. So, let's get started. What is Zedex Syrup? Zedex Syrup is a combination medication primarily used to treat coughs associated with upper respiratory tract infections. This syrup helps in relieving symptoms such as a sore throat, cough, and congestion, making it easier for patients to breathe. Benefits: Zedex Cough Syrup is a combination of two drugs, chlorpheniramine malate antihistamine and dextromethorphan cough suppressant. Chlorpheniramine malate belongs to the class of antihistamines or anti-allergic that work by blocking the action of histamine, a substance responsible for causing allergic reactions. It helps provide relief from allergy symptoms such as sneezing, running nose, watery eyes, itching, swelling and congestion or stiffness. On the other hand, dextromethorphan belongs to the class of cough suppressants that block the transmission of nerve signals from the cough center in the brain to the muscles that produce cough. Thus, together Zedex Cough Syrup helps relieve cough, cold and allergic symptom. How to use Zedex Syrup. Take Zedex Cough Syrup with or without food as advised by your doctor with the help of a measuring G-cup. Your doctor will recommend how often you take Zedex Cough Syrup based on your medical condition. Side effects. Some people may experience dry mouth, throat or nose, drowsiness, blurred vision, constipation, dizziness, restlessness or excitation. Most of these side effects of Zedex Cough Syrup do not require medical attention and gradually resolve over time. However, if the side effects persist or worsen, please consult your doctor. Warnings and precautions before using Zedex Syrup. It's important to inform your doctor if you have any pre-existing medical conditions, especially if you have asthma, high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, or thyroid disorders. Avoid alcohol while taking this medication, as it can increase the risk of drowsiness and dizziness. Additionally, this syrup may cause drowsiness, so it's advised not to drive or operate heavy machinery after taking it. In summary, Zedex Syrup is an effective remedy for relieving cough and cold symptoms. However, it's crucial to use it under the guidance of a healthcare provider to avoid potential side effects or interactions with other medications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MedExplain for more informative content on medications and health-related topics. Thanks for watching, and take care.